Guess everybody is here for this new grilled hot dog or whatever. The grilled chili cheese wiener. No, could I try one of your grilled chili cheese hot dogs?
Did I complete your order?
Yes.
All right, your order for me $247.
Okay. $247. Okay, everybody, here it is. It's the chili cheese dog. I'm gonna go ahead and do this review here. Just wanted to tell you, it smells really good. It doesn't smell like it's a some sort of canned chili or anything. That's how it looks. It's a little split open on the end. Nice little char to it. You know, surprisingly, it's not bad. The chili has some beans in it, and it's got a good flavor. Paid $249 for this. A little bit of a tiny of a kick in the back of your throat. Scale of 1 to 10, it's pretty good. I would give it a 9. It's not bad. And I know a lot of people gonna say, hey, you can make this at home or whatever, but you know, this is not bad at all for $249. If you haven't tried it, I suggest you go out and get it. The nice little snap when you bite into the hot dog. Nice little char on it. So if you enjoy grilled dogs and everything, this is pretty good. And I would be surprised if this was a canned chili, but it doesn't taste like any I've ever had. So yeah, go out and get that. Just been a quick review. And share this video for me and subscribe, everybody. Until the next video, and hey, if you have time, check out all the rest.